Hey everybody. Feels like I haven't been around for a while. I got a little bit sick with my tummy. It's either gallbladder or gastroparesis flare. So, took me out for a few days. But I have a small haul here I thought I would share. I just keep adding things to the pantry that I see I am low on. It's really windy here today. North of us, I guess there's a big trough of snow from California to Michigan. And then down here it's really windy. And they say the fire chances are up, so it's giving me a runny nose, all that wind. It's fire up the allergies. And then we have like 70s and 50s and 60s and an 80-degree day coming up. It's just bizarre. So anyways, so we have some navy beans. We have some jumbo shells. Hopefully they're not all broken so I can stuff them. We got some bucatini. I haven't been able to find this pasta, both of these, in forever. And the bucatini, it's just like a spaghetti, but it has a hole down the middle, so it really takes in the whatever sauce you're putting on it. So I really like bucatini. I got a box of Zatarain's dirty rice. I got a box of gingerbread cake and cookie mix because it's the holidays. Doesn't feel very holiday-ish, but they say it's the holidays. I got a box of low-fat milk, shelf-stable milk. I got a can of water chestnuts, so if you want to do stir fries and such. I got some tuna in oil. I prefer it in oil, and if you really were in a situation, you would want those extra calories. A lot of people are saying to start learning how to eat less, and if you are in a situation where things have actually hit the fan, you'll be burning more calories and need more calories, so you don't want to be calorie restricting. I got a less sodium Spam. That's hard to find too. I try to get that because of my husband. I got a 6-pack, if you can see it over there, of corned beef hash. I got 2 cans of diced potatoes. I got 2 cans of sliced carrots. I got a bag of bacon, cheddar, chipotle, mashed potatoes. I got a big old jug of maple syrup. I guess there's some maple syrup issues. I got a bottle of ranch seasoning. I got a can of cherries. I got some refried beans, some white chili beans. I thought I got 2 cans. I got some French style green beans, peas and carrots, Italian beans, evaporated milk, some baked beans, and these came with the dent, so I'll be using those soon. Some spinach. My husband loves canned spinach. Sliced pears. And a container of coffee. And then, do you have everything you need? That is the question. And I've been finding myself doing a lot more sewing and repairs lately. I have 2 doggy toys that need emergency surgery. and I noticed I could probably use some more thread and stuff, but I also have the worst sewing box on the planet. So I got a new sewing box. If you like owls, you would love that, but what I liked about it is it comes with supplies. So this was $20 on Amazon. So I can just add this to what I already have. So, and I got another item to put in there that hasn't arrived yet, but yeah, you might want to think about where you're short in some areas. I notice I've been sewing on more buttons and repairing things more and more lately, fixing the dog's toys. Rocky loves her stuffy toys, but Bella has a habit of trying to unstuff them. So instead of throwing them away, I just sew up the hole if I get a hold of it quick enough and fix it for Rocky. I don't know why I said Maddie. Maddie passed away. But yeah, it's my new sewing box. My husband years ago got me one it's plastic and it just opens 4 ways like a big square cross or something, and it's the worst box ever. The sides will flop open if you don't get it closed right, and it's not a useful tool. So I looked for something a little more old-fashioned to store my hand sewing things in, and pretty cute. So anyways, that's my little haul for the day. I hope y'all are doing well. Stay warm if you're in that snowy stuff, and I will see you soon. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.